Now what we're going to do is widen the cone here. So if we go over here, nose cone, over here to nose cone, left click, open par. Do you want to process with the features recognition? Yes. It's all open and ready to go. So once we got it to this point, come over here and we put sketch in and put front view, and we'll go up and put one down here. Down the centre. Once that's down the centre, set there. We've got the line down the centre. Now we go into features and we go split, and we got that there, and we just cut parts on that side and split. Now it's split. Now we go from the body, so we go that way, so minus 50. We do another. We go this side. We go 50. We go 50 on the other side. Now from there, we start a sketch. Go down here, we go to 3D. And we'll put a line in, one line in. We wait till a big black dot goes on. Go over there, another big black dot, go. And we go down to this bit here, another big black dot. Another big black dot, let go. Shut there. So now we've got that. Now we go back to surface. So we go, put one there, and one here, green arrow, push that, and now we've got the surface. We just make sure that we've got the right curvature. It can be a little bit curved, so from there, one there, so we've got all four of them, and we just go, and that's filled up. And we'll do one more just to show you what goes on. Same point of same thing to do. Sketch, 3D, up here, big black dot over there, big black dot, let go. It's done. and we go to loft surface over here, set, and we go that one there, and then we go that one there. Be alright, I'm not too sure, I'm bug it up a little, and we go nice and big, so we see what we're doing. We go that one there. And around there, we go that one there, so that should be all done. And we just go, it's fixed. So just go back in the centre. As you can see, we put it all in there. That's how, and just go right around, finish it off.